Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pancakes using pancake powder. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite pancake mix, 3/4 of a cup of milk, and 1 large egg. Make sure your mixing bowl is clean and spacious enough to comfortably combine everything. Also, have a whisk or a fork handy to ensure your batter is perfectly smooth and lump-free. These simple steps set the foundation for fluffy pancakes. Now let's get to mixing. Pour the 1 cup of pancake mix into your bowl, then add the 3/4 cup of milk and the 1 egg. Begin whisking gently. The key here is to mix until the ingredients are just combined. Overmixing can develop the gluten, leading to tough pancakes. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. In fact, they often contribute to a lighter, fluffier texture. Aim for a smooth but not perfectly uniform consistency. It's time to cook. Place a griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat and lightly oil it. You can test the heat by flicking a few drops of water onto the surface. They should sizzle. Pour about 1/4 of a cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know it's time to flip when bubbles appear on the surface and the edges look set and slightly dry. Aim for a beautiful golden brown color. Once your pancakes are beautifully golden, carefully remove them from the griddle and stack them on a plate. Stacking helps keep them warm while you finish cooking the rest. Serve your delicious, fluffy pancakes immediately. They are wonderful with a drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. These homemade pancakes are a perfect treat for any time of day. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.